Denso has been in Mexico for over 25 years. Throughout this time, our team has continued to grow to over 7,800 team members at 4 different locations. Denso Mexico produces a variety of automotive parts in the areas of motors, thermal, and electronics for our North American customers. Some products include alternators, condensers, radiators, and more. In addition to producing many eco-friendly products, our Mexico operations contribute to Denso's green cause in other unique ways. More than 75,000 California redworms living on a farm by the Denso Apodaca plant enjoy a daily dining experience that's like no other and help Denso Mexico recycle and reduce waste. Through a process called vermiculture, these worms consume their weight in waste every day. This includes food scraps, toilet paper, and wastewater that comes from the Apodaca plant. This helps reduce waste and produces roughly 30 tons of enriched organic fertilizer annually at this site. Solar panels have been installed to help reduce CO2 emissions and help power lighting in and around the plant.
Tenemos un total de 2016 paneles de 330 watts que nos dan 664 kilowatts en planta Apodaca.
These efforts all contribute to Denso's green cause and our goal to become carbon neutral by 2035.
Denso México ha participado en las competencias de WorldSkills desde el 2017.
These are held by the WorldSkills organization and bring together talented individuals from over 80 countries. This is our team's opportunity to showcase various areas of expertise and inspire team members to continue improving their technical skills.
Las competencias de WorldSkills son una competencia de nivel mundial donde el estándar es de excelencia y lo que se busca es inspirar a los jóvenes a que conviertan su pasión en profesión.
From new products to environmental initiatives, one focus remains the same: our Denso Mexico team's dedication to our 2 great causes, green and peace of mind.